Hi you guys, thank you for watching. So for today's video, I thought I would recreate this makeup look right here. I absolutely love iluvsarahii. She really inspires me. Every time I see her post something, I always want to recreate it. Right when I saw this peach coral eyeliner, I just fell in love. If you know me, you know how much I love the color peach. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I recreated this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright you guys, I went ahead and did one eye off camera because I was struggling finding the right shade that was going to be closest to the color she used in her photo. For her eyes, she said she used the Fenty Beauty Vivid eyeliner. So I called my nearest Sephora and the worker said all they had were the fly pencils that are like cream gel pencils. I purchased two colors, spaghetti straps and she's a problem. So these were the two shades that looked closest to what she used on her eyes. So I took the lighter shade called She's a Problem and I started to use that as my eyeliner. But since this has a slight shimmer to it and it's not completely matte, I was struggling because it wasn't really showing up when I was trying to create my wing because of the shimmer. So then I tried to go over it with an eyeshadow and then it ended up being way too dark. Then I remembered I recently watched Harush's makeup video. She's an amazing celebrity makeup artist and she was saying how she likes to create her own colored eyeshadow bases at home. So if you have any liquid eyeshadow base that's a nude color and any colored eyeshadow, mix them together and it creates your own colored makeup base, which is so cool and so smart. So I'm gonna take my Louise base, and for the eyeshadow that I used to mix in with it, I took my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette. It's so dirty, I'm really embarrassed, but that's how you know I use this palette a lot. I took the shade Positivity, which is the bright coral shade. You're just going to take any little scraper, spoolie, and scrape the eyeshadow. Don't be too rough. This feels so wrong doing this. Just mix it into the eyeshadow base. It's actually really fun to do. I'm just using a makeup brush to mix it together. So now that I have the mixture on the back of my hand, I'm just gonna take an angled eyeshadow brush. This is perfect for creating wings, especially when you're using any type of gel or eyeshadow. I love using angled brushes. Makes it a lot easier. I always like to start with the outer portion of my wing. I'm going to follow from the end of my lash line and just draw a straight line out. And just drag it down. Like that. I'm just trying to really take my time and make sure I'm not missing any spots. So she did bring it in slightly, so I'm just going to lightly drag it inwards. Just like that. All right, so now that I have the wings down, I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and clean up my wing. So all I used for eyeshadows before I applied my eyeliner, I'm so sorry you guys, I thought I was filming and looking back, I don't have any of the previous videos of me filming this part. So I just took my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette and I mixed the two lightest shades in the palette and honestly just used those to lightly blend all over my crease. Looking at her picture, it looks like she just has a very light brown neutral shade, nothing too crazy going on because the main part of this look is the eyeliner. I just thought I would mention that. Okay, so now that the eyes are pretty much done, I just need to add some mascara and lashes. So I'm gonna take my Lilly lashes in the style Doha. I have been really loving these lately. While my lashes are getting tacky, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. I always get so nervous putting on my eyelashes because it can make or break your day. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera. That way this video isn't super duper long and come back to finish the makeup look. Okay guys, so I'm back and I look a lot more tan. I had to put on some body makeup because I was looking very splotchy. I need to scrub off my tanner, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna take my Tarte Fake Awake eyeliner. This is just a nice nude color and put this in my waterline. And as for the lower lash line, it honestly looks like she just has that coral shade blended out. So once again, I'm going to take that color from my Jaclyn Hill palette and blend that along my lower lash line. So I'm going to take my Morphe Sweet Oasis palette, and I think I'm going to take the shade called Sun Deck Chillin' and apply a little bit of this right along here. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish out the look with my lips because they kind of disappeared. So I'm going to first go in with my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner. I'm now just going to take my Murillo Twins and Beauty Creations lipstick. This has been my new favorite. I wear it all the time now. It's like the perfect nude shade. So I did apply a little bit of my NYX Butter Gloss as well. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie and it made it a little bit more nude. So yeah, I think that is the whole makeup look completed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today and me recreating this makeup look. Even though I struggled a little bit, I'm really happy with how the end result turned out. I think this will be really fun to wear, especially for the warmer season coming up. I think anything bright and colorful, it's just really fun. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video.